Hello, this is Gavin with Walker Tech Solutions. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to install Medisoft version 23. So first, you'll want to download the latest Medisoft install. To do that, in your browser, browse to www.medisoft.com/getlatest. Should see a page like this. And on here, there is a link for Medisoft Patient Accounting. There's an alternative link, is PA Web Install. If you purchased other products such as Office Hours or Reports Pro, then there's the installs for those as well. So you would go ahead and click the download link to download Medisoft, and it'll take about 15-20 minutes depending on the speed of your internet. Then going over to your downloads folder on your computer, you should find an ISO file called Medisoft Patient Accounting. If you have Windows 8 or 10, you can just right click on this and select Mount. If you don't see the Mount command on Windows 7, you can install a product like 7-Zip and do an open archive. So since I'm on Windows 10, I will select Mount. And this effectively is the same thing as inserting a disk that you would burn. So before I go and do the install, I'll want to check to uninstall any prior versions of Medisoft. So first, make sure Medisoft isn't running. And then you would go under Settings. And then under Apps. And then find Medisoft in your list. And well, first of all, before finding Medisoft, if you have any add-on products such as Reports Pro, you'll want to uninstall those first. So here I've got Reports Pro. I'm just going to uninstall that. And you might have a prompt here to allow changes. Click yes. And then do the same thing for revenue management. And again, click yes if you have a user account control prompt. Click OK. And then go back up to Medisoft. Select Medisoft and click uninstall. And then to make sure it's all cleaned off, then browse on your C drive, and there is a Medisoft folder that gets left behind with a few items in it. You can just go ahead and delete that Medisoft folder. And then we'll go back to the drive that we previously mounted and double click on the auto run and select install Medisoft. Again, select yes for the user account control. Click next and accept. And then install the version of Medisoft that you purchased. So if it was Network Pro, you select Network Pro. The default is demo, so unless you're intending to run this as a 30-day demo, you would want to select the product that you purchased. If you purchased Medisoft Basic, then just select the one that says Install Medisoft Patient Accounting. Click Next. And 9 times out of 10, you'll just want to do Express Install, so just click Next here. And then click Next. And we're ready to install, so click Next. And that completes the installation. And I'm going to uncheck the Launch Medisoft for now. Actually, we can just leave that checked. And then click Finish, and that will launch Medisoft. And it's going to prompt for your metadata root folder again. So you just click Browse. And you would select the location of your server on the network and then the metadata share on that. And there'll be a file called MWDB list on it. Just click Open. And OK. And then you can go ahead and register Medisoft. I'm going to go ahead and select Register Later and go into my database here. So you may get this error about pausing this service. You just go ahead and click Yes to continue. So at this point, Medisoft is going to perform an automatic backup of your database and then begin converting it. So now we're upgraded to version 23. And then you can log in. And then you'll be prompted about these reports. Select yes to all. Now we'll exit Medisoft, and then on your Windows Start menu, you will find Revenue Management. And then check for updates. Go ahead and click yes. And then next. And 9 times out of 10, there will be an additional update to install, and you would go ahead and install that. And then one more thing on revenue management is you can also check for the client update. And if there's an update, just click Start. And so that is finished. And then we can go back into Medisoft. Let me go to Revenue Management. And so Revenue Management says that there is an update for that as well. And click yes if prompted by the user account control. And then also each practice also has a database update in revenue management, so then we'll go ahead and do that upgrade. And that's it. So revenue management is updated. Medisoft has updated the version 23 and it is ready for use. This is Gavin with Walker Tech Solutions. And this is how you would install Medisoft version 23.